solve the system of equations. And we are given two beautiful equations here. We'll say that this is equation 1 and equation 2. So looking at these two equations, we don't really see anything that we can do to simplify them. It doesn't really look like there would be an easy substitution. So let's try solving this by elimination. So we want to manipulate one or both of these equations in such a way that when we combine them, one of the variables will be eliminated or removed. So looking at the variables here, looks like the y values have slightly smaller coefficients. So let's try to eliminate y. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply equation 1 by a -2. And then I'm going to add this to 5 times equation 2. So this is going to produce the same coefficients but opposing signs. So let's think about this in a little bit more detail here. So again, I'm taking equation 1 and multiplying the entire equation by -2. So it'll be -2 multiplied by -8x minus 5y equals 24. And then we're going to add this to 5 times equation 2. And again, this is 5 times the entire equation 2. So with equation 1, we are taking this -2 and we're distributing it through to each part of the equation. Same thing with 5. We are going to distribute 5 through to each part of our equation. So rewriting this, I have 16x plus 10y is equal to -48. And I'm adding this now to minus 25x minus 10y is equal to 30. So see how this manipulation cancels the y's. Woohoo! So positive 10y minus 10y cancels itself out to 0. So we have 16x minus 25x is going to leave us with a -9x is equal to minus 48 plus 30 is -18. And now to solve for x, we are going to divide both sides here by -9. So -9 divided by -9 goes to 1. And we are left here with x is equal to +2. Woohoo! But we're not done yet. We now want to take this x value and substitute it into either equation to find y. So we are going to substitute x equals 2 into either equation. So pick your favorite and then solve for y. So if you have enough time, a great way to check your work is to take this x value and plug it into both equations because you should get the same y value. So I'm going to use equation 1. So I'm substituting x equals 2 into the original equation 1. So this will be -8 multiplied by 2 minus 5y equals 24. Or we can think of this as -16 minus 5y equals 24. And so we can now add 16 to both sides of this equation. Minus 16 plus 16 cancels out to 0. And we're left with a -5y is equal to 24 plus 16 leaves us with 40. And then dividing both sides here by -5. We see -5 divided by -5 goes to 1. And we know that 5 goes into 40, or -5 goes into 40, -8 times. And so therefore, the solution point, or the solution to this system, the ordered pair where these two lines intersect, is the point +2, -8. And this is our beautiful final answer.